Don't feed the trolls, don't yell at them, don't fight with them, just ignore them. That's the easiest way to stop people from creating more and more issues. If you take away what makes them want to troll, they'll stop trolling. It gets boring at some point. Same thing with harassment. If you don't give them the ability to continuously harass you, then they might as well give up. And for them to do if everybody has them blocked or if no one's giving them the time of day.
So don't react, don't block them, just pretend they're not there.
Pretend they're not there and don't try to create more issues. Don't get upset at them. They're probably just a stupid kid. Vote to kick them, try to remove them if you would like. Just don't pay them any mind, it's not worth it.